what I did, I started with the white and I did a magic loop. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our magic loop, and I am using the smaller hook and a thinner yarn. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to chain one to lock that in, and then I'm going to do 6 single crochets into my magic loops, and then I'm going to close that up. I'm going to attach it with a slip stitch to the first single crochet that I did. Okay, then I'm going to leave a little bit of a tail because I'm going to use that to tie it to the face later on. So make sure that it's a good enough length. And go ahead and make a second one, all right? So I now have these tiny little whites of the eyes. I'm going to start in any single crochet here in any one. I'm going to insert my hook. So I'm going to pull it through the single crochet here. Okay, and I'm going to do a chain one. That is not going to count as a stitch. That's just going to anchor it. Then in the same stitch, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 2 single crochets in that same stitch. And I'm not going to crochet over my tails because I need them. Okay, in the next stitch, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 half double crochets in the next. And then in the next single crochet, I'm going to do double crochet, 2 of them in there. Now in the next one, we're going to go ahead and do 2 doubles in the next single crochet right in here. So then in the next one, I'm going to skip the knot here. In the next one, I'm going to do 2 half doubles. Okay, and then in the very last one, I'm going to do 2 singles. I'm going to join it with a slip stitch to the top here. Again, I want to have a large enough strand so that I can use it to tie. Now you see how that made kind of like a tear shaped? You see that? It's not perfectly round. So that's what I did over here. It's not perfectly round. All right.